How to remove your Facebook from Account Center. What's up everyone? In this quick tutorial we're going to see how to easily remove your Facebook from your Account Center. So before we begin, make sure to head down below to like the video and subscribe to the channel. First thing that you want to do is open your app. Once you open Instagram, what you want to do is tap on your profile at the bottom right, and from here you can tap on the hamburger menu on the top right corner and just head over to your account center. Once your account center is open, if you tap on your profiles, you will see all of your connected profiles in your account center. But you don't see any option to remove your profile from here. So for that, you will have to go back to your account center. And if you scroll down, you will see the account section at the very bottom of your screen. Now if you tap on it, it will also have the list of all of your accounts in your account center, but right beside your account, you will have a remove button. So in order to remove your Facebook, just tap on remove and tap on remove account. But you have to know that it will lose access to all the connected experience, but this will not deactivate or delete your account. So just tap on it and tap on continue. And now you can just tap on remove your account, then your Facebook account will be removed from the account center. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you on the next one.